I'm Daniela Cuadra, also known by Danny. I own a private practice in Tiffin, Ohio. So I feel like in pediatric dentistry, we are doers. That it's just in our nature to be doers. We use our hands a lot, all day long. And if you're not practicing and learning clinically, that's not how that works in pediatric dentistry. Having a workshop that's clinical and having somebody guide you and teach you all those tricks, I think it's essential to be successful. And pediatric dentistry and dentistry in general is always changing. So if you're not catching up, you're just gonna be stuck in the same situation when there's so much that can make our jobs easier. And I feel like we also learn how to give more options for the families that come and see us. So if you're on the fence on continuing education, I would say if you can't invest in yourself, like at that point, that should just give you your answer. Sometimes, especially as pediatric dentists, we need a challenge. And it's nice to learn something different and get out of our comfort zone and grow.